to our caravan with a sea view. Follow me. We've got the decking out here with the sea view. Hold on up. With the sea view. See all the pebbles. Follow me. Got a desk. Table. Got seaside characters. More seaside characters. And this one has a bed. Turn it into a bed, so like this. Hold it here, just don't move. It's in the 360. Follow me. Then we go to the kitchen. 2 ovens, 1 microwave. Table and chairs. Nothing's inside the microwave. But inside the microwave, got a thing there. We've got a toaster here. Stove thing, kettle, plates, bowls, and bigger plates, cups, wine cups, mug, and an egg cup. In here we got a freezer. It's big this time. And now over here got drawers, all sorts. Got a washing machine. And now let's go into the other rooms.
Now this room is the bathroom. We've got a sink, we've got a cupboard, we've got a toilet roll, we've got even a bathtub, even a shower. And then follow me over here. I don't know what this is because I can't open
it. Oh, you can.
There's stuff in here, like pipe stuff. I don't even know what that is. Let's close that. And then here,
you've got pipes.
And then here is where you put your shoes underneath. And then you can put your shoes on from staying down here. Now let's go into this room. This room. And it is the parents' room. And we've got a makeup table. We've got a nice bed. It's got these and come here. And come here. Even we can prank our family from in there.
Got another bathroom.
And then a bathroom with a shower, a cupboard, and a toilet. And then we'll go here. And there's drawers here. Drawers underneath the seat. And then the parents can put their shoes in there. And then they can sit up here and put their shoes on. And one more thing in here is this. There's that. Now it's to one more room. It's down here. If you just follow me, this is where our bedroom is. And that's me and my sister's bedroom. We've got a cupboard. We've got me and my sister's own seats.
Got some plug sockets over here.
And we've got our
2
own
beds.
bed.
My beds.
And then we can
Lacey's bed. Got a
Then
cupboard down there. Have half an hour each. And well, that is our thing. So thank you guys for watching. And I hope you enjoyed our caravan with the sea view. Bye bye.
They're coming in now, so.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
I do subscribe our channel, follow our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye guys.